Hey guys and dolls, and welcome back into my channel. My name is Jason, and before we start today's video on BNGO, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys out there that have helped support and grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers already. I actually can't believe that we got here so quickly. I only made this channel properly a few weeks ago at the start of this year, and the growth has been absolutely immense. So I just want to say thank you for spending a part of your day to be here with me. And I can't wait to see where this year goes, because we are going to absolutely dominate in the stock market, guys. So on my screen today, I am going to be going into the computer and we are going to be doing a technical analysis on the stock that I said, BNGO, which is Bionano Genomics. And I am really excited to present to you what I think could be a really good opportunity moving forward, because as you guys know, in my top 5 holdings, I do hold PAC Bioscience. And guys, this is a very similar company, but essentially they are 4 or 5 times cheaper in price right now, and they actually do the very same type of products. They have a patent and they are working on that DNA sequencing in the genomic sector that you guys know I love. I'm all for Cathie Wood and the genomic sector, so I'm really excited to do some in-depth chart analysis for you guys. So anyway, if you do want to give me any love today on Valentine's Day, then be sure to smash the like button and also hit that big red lovely subscribe button for me down below and join this family of investors where we make money together. Let's go! So up on my screen is the ticker symbol BNGO, which is for biogenomics, and we are going to be doing a full technical analysis. But before I hit the charts, guys, I'm just going to show you this one piece of amazing information. Actually, here on their Twitter on Biogenomics, you can actually see that they have released a new computer system, and what this does is actually reduces the cost of their genetic disease analysis by more than 50%. So guys, this is much better than some of their competitors like PAC Bio, which is one of the companies that I am also invested in. So that is just some information I wanted to give you as a heads up. If you do want to find out more information on this, then do check out their website or head over to their Twitter page. Now guys, this stock has been on absolute fire. It's been on a tear in the stock market over the last few weeks. There's been a lot of hype I've seen on YouTube and other platforms for this stock. There's even been rumors that ARK Invest are going to potentially be buying up this stock, and there was a talk, I believe, between Cathie Wood and this company where they were supposedly going to be putting some of their money into it. Now, I'm not starting any rumors, that didn't happen, and right now, as far as I know, they have still not invested in this company, but it doesn't mean that those cards are off the table. But if it is to happen, just letting you guys know that we are going to see a big push in that share price, and we will certainly be breaking this resistance line right here. As you can see, we have double tested on this resistance, and you guys know I'm hot on the genomic sector, that this company has had a big run up in their share price, and again, I do think that is granted due to the fact that their technology is so advanced. But I'm going to now start to draw the technical analysis for you guys so you can see exactly where I'm coming from. So if we draw a nice resistance along here, we can see that we've actually tested this resistance twice, and yesterday we did not actually close above the resistance. We actually spiked above it, but then we actually did come back down to close around that 1380 zone, guys, which is exactly the time that we actually hit another layer of this resistance, which was all the way back on January 21st. Now guys, if I actually do draw this, you can see here that there is actually a W pattern on here. Sometimes people say that a W pattern actually does give a bull run, so it is looking to break out. But in this case, we can see that we had tested onside a resistance and we have actually climbed back down. So I don't think that we are going to see any further pushes in this share price. You can also see from here that we are overstretched on the RSI. So that is a sign for me that we are going to be having a slight pullback, and hopefully we will retest down into this zone around the $12 onto that EMA and the SMA 50. So those are the two confirmations that I'm going to be looking for again before I go long. Now guys, as you know, I do love to use these two indicators right here, and this is a perfect example of how you could have actually made some good profits with this company. If you look, we have actually tested the 21 and also the 50 SMA lines, guys. As you can see, it's consolidating in this area. Now if we actually come down onto the RSI, you can also see that we are staying above the 50 on the RSI, which is where I have just drawn this bottom line here, as you can see. So guys, that does indicate to me that we are in a bull trend, and as you can see on the chart, we are actually in an upward trend with this stock. Again, we have actually broken off from this upward trend about here, and we are in that zone of consolidation. But if you had got in when this stock was around that $10 to $11 range, then you could have had a nice 25% upside, guys, if you did hit those highs of about $14 to $15. So that would have been really nice. Now we did actually go again all the way up to about $14 before we had a small sell-off yesterday before market close. So in my opinion, what I believe is going to happen with Bionano Genomics moving forward is we are actually going to have another retracement back down to this support area that I am drawing for you guys now on the screen. As you can see, we've actually tested this area multiple times along here, and we do have a good clear level of support. It just depends on if the bears or the bulls are going to be out and about in the markets on Tuesday. If we do have any bearish news, and again those bears are in control, then we are going to see a slight pullback in the share price to retest this line here on the 21 EMA, which will give us a price target of about $12, which could be a nice entry side, guys, because then I do believe that if we are making those higher lows and we don't actually break down below $12, then this could be a nice indication that we are actually about to take off and go long. Again, if we do actually break down, then I do think that we are going to see a retest of the support at $10, in which case I feel like that is going to be on the 100 SMA, and that is going to give me optimum entry while we are still in this bull trend. So I will be considering adding more to my position. You guys know that I am actually a shareholder of BNGO stock. I do think that this does have a really nice upside, and again I have a price target on this at the end of the year for anywhere above that $16 to $20 range. So that is my price target, which is going to give us a nice 2x position from when we first entered on this channel about 2 weeks ago, when I had added it in when it was consolidating all the way back down here at about $9 to $10. But guys, please know that this stock has had a big run up of over 1,000% in the last few months, so we are actually in fact up quite a lot on this position. What I would prefer to see, in all honesty, is really have that test back to the 100 SMA, and hoping that we break through this layer of support. If we do actually get this entry point of around $9 to $10, then that could actually provide us a nice entry for upside, and to allow us to have that full reversal on the RSI. So hopefully then we do touch that layer of support, which I do like to have as a second indication, so we can then have that nice long upside potential, and we can capitalize on that in whatever way we choose to do. Now, like I said, I do have a price target on this in conclusion for everything that I've said of about $20 by the end of the year. So if we do see that, then that could give us some nice upside, guys. But you always want to make sure to do your own risk and due diligence on a stock. Don't just jump into a stock because I've analyzed it on a chart. Make sure you guys go onto their website, do some more digging, maybe watch some more videos, and then you can start to understand more about this company. And remember to never put your entire capital into one company. You always want to diversify into different segments of the stock market, which is my tip again for you in this video. You always want to make sure that you have your money into different segments. For me personally, I have some of my money in financials. I have some of my money here, as you guys can see, inside the bio and pharmaceutical companies, and I've also got many other diverse sectors such as Bitcoin. I've also got electrical vehicles and solar stocks. So you guys know that I am well spread across many different sectors of the stock market, and that is what allows me to capitalize on all types of upside. It's no good putting all your eggs in one basket, because if this company does go under or something goes wrong, then you are going to see a big sell-off, and again that is going to be your hard-earned money. So always make sure, like I said, to do your own research, and always make sure to never put more than 10% of your allocated funds into one full position. Unless, of course, you have done your due diligence and you know that that company is going to go to the moon. So guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you made it this far, then I just want to say thank you. Hit that big red subscribe button below and join this family of investors. We are rapidly growing on this channel, and we have been absolutely killing all of the plays that I've been putting out on a daily basis. If you did find value at any point, then do be sure to smash that like button. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Take care, have a safe weekend, and remember that the Monday the markets are closed because it is President's Day. So I will see you guys in the markets on Tuesday. Ciao.